Aim your hopes to Hashem only. Keep His way. וירוממך לרשת ארץ. And He would lift you up to inherit the land. 4 times. Your place in the next world. You will see the end of all these wicked people that made you problems. You will see their end. Have patience. Don't go and compete against them. Don't fight them. Don't do anything. I'll take care of all these wicked people. You will get to see on your way to life of eternity. I promise you, you will see the end of each one of your enemies. I saw a person so far is solid like a strong tree that his roots are connected well. It's not shaking in the wind. You know these massive trees? And the next day is gone, it's crushed. Yesterday he was on the top of the world with his millions and his servants and his fame. How many times it happens here in front of our eyes here in America? You're on top of the world, the next day the FBI puts handcuffs, all television about you, they put you in this orange pajama, and your life is over. How many times it happens? How many Jews felt it? How many great royal families ended up like that? How many people on top of the world, one day they found they have 2 months to live, cancer, they didn't know about it, and everything is gone. How many people had so much money and Madoff came and took it all and they became beggars? They come to Tomchei Shabbos for food. How many times? The answer, too many times. So the point is, so if a person that steals right now says, Rabbi, I want to be religious, but how am I going to make parnasah? All my business is crooks. And I'm stealing and cheating and lying and deceiving. But my friend, all this that you think that you're making, it's not yours. You're going to have to pay it back, double, and still get punished. So what are you so happy about? It's all an illusion. You think that it's yours, but eventually you're going to have to pay it back. If not now, in your next life you'll be a slave of someone. What do you think there are people who suffer so much financially in this world? Many of them is because of their previous life, what they used to do to others. Now Hashem sent them back to feel what they did to others. All measure for measure. Tzadikim yirshu haaretz, the righteous people will inherit the land, meaning the next world. And they would be there forever, for eternity. The next world that the soul will remain and enjoy forever. How much the wicked people lose from being wicked if they only knew. Ki acharit leish shalom, because there is a hope in the end of a peaceful, righteous person. Ufosheim nishmedu yachdav, and all the massive amount of wicked people will be all destroyed together. Don't worry about it. And the salvation of the righteous from Hashem is their strength in time of problem. Hashem will help them and release them and save them. Yefaltem mireshaim veyoshiem ki chasuvo. He will save them from the wicked and save them as they trusted Him to do so. It says clearly, yesterday was solid like a tree that is deep in the ground and the next day is gone. No memory from it. I ask around, nobody even remember him. Nobody knows. Where is he? We don't know, it's gone. Please observe their decent way. Always look straight. Don't be crooked. Always aim straight. Ki acharit leish shalom, because there is a hope in the end of a peaceful, righteous person.